Welcome to Activity 7.4. In the last activity, we did a new tree, and this time we're going to create a new forest. So on server SA1, we need to go through and add the domain controller services. And in this case, instead of doing it by PowerShell, like we've done in a lot of the previous activities, we're going to do it through the manage features, roles and features in the server manager here. Click that. Have one less screen in the future. A role-based installation for this server. Active Directory domain services. This is going to add up all the sub-services required and then the management tools by default. Next. Don't need anything on this screen. Hit install. Wait for it here. While that is going, I'll say I did skip the first few steps. I had already reset this machine, so I didn't have to remove the features and domain setup that it already had on there. Alright, that finished after a few minutes. I didn't want to bore you and have you watching a blue status bar move. So I paused it during that. So we can go ahead and close this out. Alright, so we have our post-deployment configuration in this case since I had reset the machine. We'll promote it to domain controller, slightly different than the instructions in the book, depending on if you reset your machine or if you demoted it. Alright, we're creating a new forest in this case. So we're going to do new forest.local. Give that a minute here. Alright, so we have our default options here. Our forest levels, our DNS server, and global catalog server. And we should be good with that. Let's see. Alright, so we'll put our directory services restore mode password in. Oops. I don't know what I clicked there. There we go. Alright. It's fine. Should be good here. Just waiting for it to automatically fill that in. Alright, that's fine. Next. Default locations. Next. Let it do its verifications here. Alright, did its verifications. So everything passed successfully. We have some exclamation points in here. These are just warnings. Can be default warnings pretty much every time. We can click install from here and let it go through the process, which can take a little while. Alright, after what seemed like forever, it's finally finished and it's rebooting. Alright, server has rebooted. Log in now. As you can see, we have the new forest domain. All right, as we can see, we have Active Directory Services, DNS. We are domain controller on the new forest.local domain, and that is the end of this activity. And the next activity we will join these forests together. Thank you.